How to create rules and actions in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to create rules and actions in Zoho CRM, you need to go to the settings first. Here in the home screen, in the bottom left, you can see the settings icon, tap on it. On the left hand side, you can see different menu options. Under this automation section, you can see workflow rules option, tap on it. Now from here, you can create new rules. Here you can see the create rule button, tap on it. Now from here, you can create a new rule. Select the module, provide the rule name and description. Now from here, you can select when to execute this rule. Now it will let you choose further conditions. Tap on next. After that, it will let you select the actions. And once you are done, you can save this rule. Tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily create rules and actions in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.